A warm welcome. This is a demo video on vibhavani.krishitrade.com portal. This is for agricultural trade. If you are a seller, meaning if you are a farmer or a farmer producer company, that is FPO, or an exporter or a trader or an importer based out of India or overseas, this is for you. If you are looking for buying or if you are looking for selling, this portal can be best used. This video will give you a brief explanation on how to use this portal. This is simple. It is online, public. This is free of cost. There are no charges, neither upfront nor no registration charges, nothing. This is free of charge. This is exclusively for Vibhavani members. This is agriculture related portal, post harvest agricultural trading. This is powered by Krishi Trade. Basically, this is like a yellow page or a classifieds wherein all buy or sell inquiries are displayed here, either for buying or for selling. No contacts are shared. For using it, basically you need to first register yourself. So it is a simple registration process with a email ID, mobile number, full name and account currency. Once you will register, you will get an email and SMS with your user ID and password, which you can use it for login to your account. By putting your user name, that is your mobile number, and the password that you would have got, you can log into your account. After login, you can complete your profile. It is just a simple company name, address and all. And we recommend you complete your documents page. This is for verification. This is voluntary, this is optional, and everything here, needless to say, is free of cost. There are no charges. But verified profile is recommended because the bids received from verified profile are taken seriously, are given first preference. So we recommend submitting these basic licenses for verification. So all inquiries are displayed in inquiries tab. The inquiries could be buying or selling. This is a trade mode, meaning as a trader, at times you will have something to sell, at times you will have something to buy. If you are only seller, so we can configure at the time of registration, you will be asked whether you want both buying and selling or you want only buy or only sell. So basically all buy related inquiries are displayed here, all sell related inquiries are displayed here. This is the inquiry tab. All inquiries which receives quotations, all those inquiries get moved into quotations tab. So here you can see the quotations received. So view quotation. So everybody or whoever has quoted, their quotations can be seen here. We don't share contact, but you'll have a proper visibility of quotations. We don't share all quotations. Only up to 3 best quotes are shared. Up to 3 best quotes you can order. After you confirm an order as per the commercials, your order gets confirmed and this inquiry moves from quotation to order bucket. So here you can see the order. You can track, you can manage your order. So coming back to the inquiries page, this is the inquiry. You can create a new buy inquiry or you can create a new sell inquiry. Now what it means is, if I am a seller, I have something to sell. If I am a farmer, I have rice or I have honey or onions or potatoes. So basically I can create sell inquiry. We recommend, if you are So you may create sell inquiry for items which you are having already, or you may create sell inquiry for a future date harvest. Say you are expecting onions after 4 months, so you can create onion sell inquiry which you expect after 4 months, so you get 4 months time to market it and solicit for best rate. So this is how basically you can create sell inquiry. For creating a buy inquiry, you can go to the buy tab and create a buy inquiry. Your my inquiries, meaning all inquiries created by you, can be visible here. It can be managed from here. Matching inquiry, basically all inquiries which suits or are relevant or are likely to be of interest to you, can be seen in matching inquiry tab. Now let us proceed with a sample sell inquiry creation. So just clicking on this new sell inquiry, it says okay, what is the category? So category says cereals and pulses. So subcategory, say for example rice. There are different varieties of rice, or I am putting only rice. You can choose all variety, whatever or options available. So this is a quantity. Whatever quality you have, if it is a certified quality, if you already have a certification, so certified quality, you can choose, you can select quality. Any specification or image, photograph, terms and condition, whatever, you can simply click a photograph and attach it, or you can attach a proper specification under your letterhead or anything. It is this thing is optional. Variety description, whatever varieties, packaging, whatever commercial expectations, whatever you want, you can write as a description. And who are you? Like you are a farmer, FPO, agent. You can write it. So I am creating 10 tons. Quality is regular quality. Variety is say for example 1121 Sela. For example, and I am a agent for example. And available from when this product will be available. So I can click on here. I say okay, I can make it this available on 5th of August, and I want to close this bid for inquiry. Say I am into this trade, so anytime anybody can ask, I can supply it. So I am putting it bid closing date at 21st 2021, or I can close this bid, meaning this bid closing date is the date till which this your created inquiry would be visible in the inquiries section. This is the bid closing date. Available at location. Say I am writing Karnal for example. Karnal, Haryana, this is available. Preferred delivery location, the location at which you will ensure these goods are delivered. I am saying okay, this is X factory. I will deliver these goods at my warehouse only, at my mill only. So preferred delivery location Karnal. You can write Chandigarh, you can write Mundra, you can write wherever is preferred delivery location you are interested. Packaging, say 15 kg or 10 kg jumbo bag or whatever you want to write. Your requested terms, you can choose. There are many terms. You can choose any term that suits you, and you can create by submitting, you can create an inquiry. So this inquiry gets created. This is under process. For others, it will be visible as quote to buy or quote to sell kind of thing. So this is how basically a sell inquiry, we have created a sell inquiry. Similarly, somebody has created this drumstick inquiry. So if I am a buyer, I can see my relevant inquiry here. If I am interested in purchasing drumstick, I can just click on quote to buy. Now this is how the buyer would submit his interest. So all interest submitted by buyer would be visible to you in your quotations tab. Whenever you receive quotations, you can get a proper quotation file. See your draft purchase order. So you can see a proper purchase file, a proper purchase order, and you can verify and you can place an order. So this is how basically once you place an order, it moves into the order tab. You can there are various stages: inspection, loading, e-way bill, payment, and all. So this is a simple platform for buying and selling. This is good for trading. We don't share contact to sum up. We don't share contacts. Number 2, there are absolutely no charges. Number 3, this is a transactional platform. Number 4, for example, if there is a buyer, if he selects your order, so we pay 100% at farm at your preferred delivery location specified. We may do sorting, grading, packaging. We may supply packaging material. We will transport it and deliver it to the buyer. Whereas you will get paid at 100% at farm on e-way bill. We don't. There is no advances, so we don't. But you can always request an advance. If buyer accepts your advance, it is deal. It is a transaction between you and buyer. So this is a simple platform. You can see your relevant inquiries of interest by filtering here. Say I want to see only inquiries of rice. So these are all rice related inquiries which are live currently, which you can put up your interest. So this is a platform. Domestic trading also is okay. Export also is okay. As you will see, for rice currently 500 metric ton for Angola, 52 container for Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So here it is a domestic. We'll pay at Mundra only, so 27 metric ton. So for exports and for domestic, both options are available. So if you are a buyer or if you are a seller, this is the ideal platform. Simple platform. There are no charges and it is simple and convenient. This is exclusively for Vibhavani members. We recommend create your login account, and if you need any help and all, you can reach us. You can reach to your coordinator, and we will be happy to help. Thank you.